Today we're going to be doing a Planter's Punch. Of all the sour type punches, the Planter's Punch made with Jamaican rum is probably the most popular. It is an excellent drink and its popularity is well deserved. The Myers Company, makers of Planter's Punch rum, gives two formulas for this drink. The first they designate as the Old Plantation formula, which is 1 sour, lime or lemon, 2 sweet, sugar, 3 strong, rum, and 4 weak, ice and water combined. The second, which they call the American formula, is 1 sweet, 2 sour, 3 weak, and 4 strong. I personally recommend that version. So, that's what we're going to do today. It starts off with 1 part sugar syrup. Then 2 parts lemon juice, not lime juice. You could probably use lime juice and I bet it'd be fine. We got 3 parts of Myers rum. This is Jamaican rum. Then you're supposed to do 2 or 3 dashes of bitters, and they'll be like this. Of course, you gotta shake this up with some ice. Then you pour the whole thing into a highball glass. I just use pint glasses for that sort of thing, including the ice. Pretty gnarly. It looks like mud. Then we're going to top this off with ice, and you're supposed to leave some room for charged water. I don't have unflavored charged water, so we're using cran raspberry seltzer water, which I think will mix well flavor-wise. It's still unsweetened, but has a bit of a twinge of cran raz in it. Yeah, it looks kind of, like you said, like a cloudy sweet tea. You want to go first?
Oh, it's pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Not bad. Sweet.
Oh yeah, that's actually really nice.
Refresh.
Yeah, it kind of reminds me of a Tom Collins.
May I have one more?
Yeah. Yeah, we can split this one. It's kind of a lot. I mean, if you make it the way I did with 3 parts and it's just straight up shots. Anyways, getting calls, so we gotta go. Peace.